Greetings! Cheerfulness in Zara's kitchen. Today we will make a delicious chicken stew. Let's start our recipe. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I will heat half a cup of oil. To this, I will add 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, and 4 green cardamoms and lightly fry them. And now I will add 3 large chopped onions. I will fry the onions just enough so that they become soft. Today, by popular demand, I have brought you the recipe for chicken stew. Do try it and let me know how you liked my recipe. The onions have become soft. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it. I will fry this for a few seconds as well, and now I will add half a kilo of chicken to it. If you like my recipes, please let me know in the comments and be sure to share them with your friends and family members. Here I have taken 1 large Kashmiri chili. I am breaking it into pieces and adding it in. Instead of this, you can also add 2 to 3 whole round red chilies. Now I am carefully measuring out and adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt, followed by 2 teaspoons of ground coriander powder, then incorporating 1 teaspoon of aromatic cumin powder, and finally adding 1 teaspoon of spicy red chili powder to the mixture. You can adjust the salt and chili according to your taste. Now I will cook this on high flame for 1 minute so that the rawness of the spices goes away. Now I will add 3 large chopped tomatoes to this, and after adding the tomatoes, I have sauteed them for 5 minutes. The tomatoes have softened, and now I am adding 1/4 cup of yogurt and sauteing it. After adding the yogurt, saute it until all the water from the yogurt dries up completely. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This way, you'll be able to watch my recipes first and for free. Here I have added 1 cup of water. I will turn the flame to high, mix it well, then cover and cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed, friends, and our chicken is nicely cooked. Now I am adding 1 chopped green chili to it. These green chilies are quite spicy. If you want, you can also add whole green chilies. I will mix in the green chilies. It gives a really nice flavor, and now I will sprinkle a little fresh coriander on top. Friends, do try this recipe and also let me know which city and country you are watching from.